Wind by Subramania Bharati. Let's get started. Subramania Bharati or Mahakavi Bharatiyar is considered as father of modern Tamil literary style. He was a patriotist, activist, visionary and journalist. His major works include Panjali Shapadam, Pappa Pattu, Kannan Pattu, Kuyil Pattu. Now let's discuss the summary of the poem Wind. In the poem, the poet Subramania Bharati advises the reader to be strong in mind and body in order to face the challenges and obstacles presented by life. Bharati begins the poem by pleading to the wind. He asks the wind to come into his house softly. He also asks the wind not to break his windows or knock down the books or tear its pages. The poet paints a positive picture by using the words softly, shutters, and scatter. However, Bharati's tone changes abruptly from soft to sharp in the next lines. He scolds the wind for knocking down his books and tearing out the pages. This action of the wind becomes symbolic to the havoc evoked by an unfortunate event in the life of an individual. The next line is even more direct. He says, "You are clever at poking fun at weaklings." But saying that, he is calling the wind out on its destructive nature. The wind crushes everything and he does not listen to anyone. Bharati reaches the height of his anger at the wind with these words. Bharati now changes the tone of the poem. The next few lines spreads optimism. He says that though the wind can be terrifying and destructive, some good can come out of it. He asks the readers to build strong homes and doors which can be shut firmly. He also asks them to keep their body strong and their hearts steadfast. If they do this, then they will enjoy the friendship of the wind. That is, life is a test for the individuals. We should become stronger in mind, body, and heart so that we can face any difficulties. Bharati wants to convey that if one is weak, then the wind will easily break him or her. Bharati now tells the readers to praise the wind. The wind has now changed from being a troublemaker to someone worthy of being worshipped. Thus, the wind becomes a paradoxical element in the poem, where it is simultaneously good and bad. Bharati, through the poem, implies that each individual has the power to change adversities into positive opportunities in life. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.